Today I'm gonna be showing you an insane AI for creating music. This AI is so powerful that you can create studio quality music in seconds with just a text prompt. Also, there are a lot of channels in YouTube that generate AI music and getting millions of views. So this video is going to teach you starting from generating AI music to publishing them and getting millions of views. So our website for generating music is Suno AI. You can type this URL or just write Suno AI to your search engine. When you enter the website and log in, you must encounter an interface similar to this. Now you can literally type any type of music here and wait till it generates the music. For example, I'm writing 80s rap gangsta style here and wait for the music. And now, as you can see, it generated 4 musics. 2 of the musics are for premium users and 2 of them are completely free. So let's listen to the first music.
Yeah. 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 Back block. Yeah. 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 Gold roll swing, fat lace shell toes. Start a jacket on where the cash flow goes. Graffiti.
Alright, now the second one.
Yeah. That back block. Yeah. That back block. Yeah. Back block. Yeah, back black, gold road swing. Fat lace shell toes, saw the jacket on. Where the cash flow goes. Graffiti on the wall, my tag, my code. OG on the crate, counting up that load.
Yeah, and the other 2 musics were like this style too. So as not to bore you, I tried to create another type of song. And as you can see, this didn't look like it was done with AI either. So let's move on to your second topic. Is this niche actually being watched? If you look at the graphs, there's a clear answer to this. For example, this channel produces content entirely generated by AI and literally 15 million people have subscribed to it. Even if you look at our videos, we see that the views have exceeded 100 million. This shows that this niche still has enormous potential. Then let's calculate this channel's monthly income. Alright, now if you look at the average amount of views, we can calculate that it has 60 million views per month. This shows that the average monthly earnings range between $25,000 and $80,000. But if we also include distributions through Spotify, Apple Music, and our own company, this amount exceeds $250,000. Furthermore, this isn't the only channel producing AI-generated music like this. This channel, that's called What Is, also produces some background type music and has more than 100,000 subs. And this shows that their monthly earnings vary between $1,000 and $5,000. Finally, if you decide to start a YouTube channel but haven't thought about what topic to focus on, this could be the perfect niche for you.